Hey legends, welcome to the first ever weekly roast. What if history roasted this week's market? I'm your host, and every week we're throwing dead legends into today's chaos to see who survives Wall Street. This week, absolute bloodbath. Bitcoin just dove below $90,000 for the first time in 7 months. Stocks are sliding, and everyone's screaming AI bubble. So let's ask the most extra Roman of them all. What would Julius Caesar do if he woke up today and saw Bitcoin wipe out every single gain of 2025? First headline: Bitcoin just face-planted below $90,000, lowest since April. We went from a $126,000 all-time high in October to this. All 2025 gains gone. Caesar is sitting on his golden throne. He bought the top because some senator told him it's too HODL. Now his imperial treasury is down 30% in a month. Caesar's reaction? He immediately declares war on the entire blockchain. Veni, vidi, Bitcoin crash-eye. He marches on Coinbase HQ with 50 legions, screaming, "This is the Ides of November." Moral of the story: even emperors get wrecked when they FOMO at the top. Second disaster: the entire AI trade is imploding. S&P 500 down 4 straight days. Nasdaq bleeding. Everyone suddenly remembers that maybe paying 50x earnings for chips isn't genius. Tomorrow, Nvidia reports the make-or-break moment. If they miss even by a penny, we're looking at 2022 flashbacks. Caesar tries to sacrifice a bull to Jupiter to pump the stock, but the bull is actually a Tesla short seller. He looks at the Magnificent Seven getting murdered and says, "Friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me a leverage, because mine just got liquidated." Caesar would 100% ban short selling and declare AI the new Roman god. Problem solved. Third, the VIX fear gauge just spiked 12%, continuing jobless claims at the highest since summer, and the whole market is in extreme fear mode. Caesar's empire never had a VIX, but if it did, every time Carthage looked strong, it would moon. He'd look at today's red candles and say, "Ceterum senseo, Bitcoin esse talendum." No, wait, buy the dip. Classic Caesar. Flip-flops more than the fair. So what's the real play this week? Yeah, it hurts, but pullbacks after parabolic runs are normal. Bitcoin already bounced a bit to run 92-91K. Dip buyers are stepping in, and if Nvidia crushes tomorrow, we reverse hard. Long term, still insanely bullish. We have a pro-crypto president, ETFs maturing, half-in effect still baking. Caesar's final verdict is, alea iactaest. The die is cast. Buy the dip or cross the Rubicon to zero, your choice. Like if Caesar made you laugh, subscribe for weekly historical roasts, and drop in Numa Pomphilius in the comments. Which dead legend should we throw into next week's chaos? See you next Tuesday. May your portfolio be ever in profit.